Radar is showing heavy thunderstorms across Skyline, Jackson County, Alabama, Mud Creek, Franklin County, Tennessee, and other parts of the area. Stay weather aware and shelter immediately if you hear thunder. Significant weather activity across multiple regions. The leading story is a flash flood warning for Jackson, Alabama, Limestone, Alabama, Madison, Alabama, Franklin, Tennessee, Lincoln, Tennessee. Heavy rainfall and flooding are the primary concerns. We'll continue monitoring these systems and keep you updated. Russellville, Alabama is the warmest at 77 degrees, while Huntsville, Alabama is the coolest at 71 degrees. Light rain